Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sean Henderson Presents Love is Rage. My name is Joey T, and I am joined by Kennedy Copeland.
That's right, I'm here, and I'm happy to be here.
And we are kicking things off with a Clockwork Orange House of Fun match. As you see, Colby Corino in the ring right now. He's going to take on the boss of this building, the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont. Yeah, I know you're not too fond of him, but I'm going to ask you to keep it, as impartial as possible here while you're up here, Kennedy.
All right, well, let me just get this out of my system after this folder.
All right, here. This is boiling over from the bull rope match that they had at the last Sean Henderson Presents show. They made the challenge. We got the Clockwork Orange House of Fun set up.
Now, can you explain what a Clockwork match is exactly?
Well, we're looking at it. We got pieces of the cage, we got barbed wire, we got weapons all around. Everything is legal. It's just going to be pure brutality between these two.
I'm very much looking forward to watching it. How's that for being impartial? You may take that for how you will.
I think you might be hoping to see something in particular.
I'm hoping to see a lot of, how was it that you put it, brutality?
Here comes the Bulldozer.
No comment.
Well, I think everyone else here at the H2O Wrestling Center disagrees with you, Kennedy.
I didn't even say anything. You can't disagree with me. I don't even say anything. But go off.
All right.
I'm already getting hyped for this match. Fucking do is right.
And regardless of what you think of him, the most decorated American deathmatch wrestler of all time.
I'll give him that. I acknowledge that.
Fighting out of Jacksonville, North Carolina by way of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, weighing at 188 pounds, he is the last match in professional wrestling, Colby Corino! And his opponent, fighting out of Atlantic City, New Jersey, is the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont!
Here we go. We are underway. Clockwork Orange House of Fun. Right, ring the bell. There it is. It's official. This all started when Colby Corino held some of Matt Tremont's students hostage. We saw the bull rope match, and now we're at the Clockwork Orange House of Fun.
This feud here just continues to escalate.
Yeah, Colby Corino. Oh, we're starting off with some right hands.
Never go wrong with those. Back to basics here.
Absolutely. Oh, God, high knee from Colby.
Oh, my God.
Oh, he landed on his feet.
I don't think Matt realized.
Yeah, Matt thought he put him down for a little bit, but he's got
Took him a minute. Oh, and there we go. Okay.
trash can to the head, says Colby Corino onto that cage.
Now, have either one of these competitors been in such a match?
Not to my knowledge. I could be wrong there. Help me out, Twitter. Use the hashtag SHG Love is Rage. Yeah, Matt Tremont's been in just about every type of match, so I find it hard to believe. I just can't recall it off the top of my head.
And this is just kind of a combination of all types.
Oh, he's pulling the gusset plate out. Right into the head of the Bulldozer. And again for good measure.
Already getting those juices flowing.
Yeah, the Bulldozer's head is
What is he doing?
stomping on that gusset blade, trying to...
not afraid of those.
Oh, he's trying to bend it a certain way, I think, so he can utilize it better. Oh, right into that shoulder.
I believe he's got another one. Well, he did.
The Tremont is cut him open.
This is for my buddy Nick fucking Gage.
Shout out his tag team partner, Nick Gage, with the pizza cutter. Oh, now Tremont's got the gusset plate.
Taste of his own medicine.
Stuck in his head. Oh, and you can see the blood flowing from the head of Colby Corino.
I'm gonna be upfront with y'all. Those suck. I
can only imagine those are used to hold houses together, not to go through your skull.
Leave a raging headache, which is oddly appropriate here for Love is Rage.
Nice.
See what I did there?
Nice. Corino used that crutch, and now he's got the fork board.
Let's see what he's doing here. Oh my god.
Inside out senton.
That's impressive on his own.
Got the cover. Only got one that time. You're right. That's a unbelievable move there. And then to add the fork board to it. Maximum damage from Colby Corino.
We're already gushing. And this match has just barely begun.
Yeah, and he just grabbed, I think that's a cheese grater.
Oh, they're really ruining pizza for me. Thanks, Matt. God, that's why we can't have nice things.
Oh,
What do we got here?
Corino's grabbing I believe that's a street sign of some sort. Can't see what it says on the front from up here.
I can't. I mean, in this match it can be, but as far as obtaining that.
I don't either, Matt.
That is one thing I will agree with Matt on.
Is that a squishmallow? I don't really know. Oh, but it's covered in barbed wire. It just got shoved into the back of Colby Corino.
Whatever it is, lethal. Maybe that's why people go like this.
to turn them into deathmatch weapons.
Yeah.
Sending out ideas for the next Fans Bring the Weapons match. Tremont with a right hand.
Again, back to basics here.
Oh, Corino through the cage.
Oh my. He seems to be very proud of himself for that one.
I mean, that was a hell of a throw as Corino spilled to the outside on a side that there was caging.
Taking it to the outside here.
Just squeezing the blood out of his head.
Blood tastes real fucking good.
And it's hot in this building. The more blood you lose, the quicker you're gonna be incapacitated, really.
That's actually a pretty good strategy.
Yeah.
Huh.
This ain't Matt Tremont's first rodeo, but he just got a low blow there. That's gonna slow him down.
And not homies either.
You're right.
Gotta get...
That's why he's using these water jugs. Ooh, a little fancy action.
Add some pizzazz. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it with some pizzazz. Good for you, Colby. Never go wrong with a steel chair.
Yeah, old reliable, the steel chair set up on the outside.
The endless possibilities.
Oh,
That's one way to do it.
God.
Might have just done damage to himself.
Yeah,
even.
that
I don't know if
desperation.
that's-
Oh,
What? Got more forks
I think that's
here.
a pool noodle with forks in
Oh,
it.
you know what? Happy Memorial Day, y'all.
It is,
Busting out the pool noodles.
it is tradition
You
to
know-
open up the pool on Memorial Day.
Have you ever gotten whacked by one of those
Oh, yeah.
without utensils
Yeah.
on them?
That hurts alone. Oh,
Oh, God.
that just
Never
broke.
Gary in on this as well. But I guess there really is no rules when it comes to this type of match.
No, absolutely not. The only place that's gonna open with a match like this is Sean Henderson Presents.
Yeah, this is the first match.
Unbelievable. Oh God. Stabbing him, cut him open.
Cycling those forks there.
No piece of weaponry goes unused. Tremont, I think he climbed into the ring to try to escape, but Corino.
I don't think there is any escape in this type of match.
Nope.
I think anywhere you go, you're in danger.
Now Corino's got that garbage can. Going up top with it, Kennedy.
Ooh.
Get caught up on that barbed wire
Yeah,
there.
he's got to watch himself.
This is dangerous.
No one's safe. No one is safe.
Oh God.
Oh dear God.
Oh God.
Oh. And again, I almost feel as though he is inflicting damage upon himself, but that just shows you what he is willing to do to that. And you know what? I applaud him for it.
The absolute definition of high-risk maneuvers here from Colby Corino. Oh, did you make that chair, Kennedy?
No comment.
Oh, Colby,
Not saying I disagree.
Colby trying to get the Tremont chair down, or in Latin it's B Tremont B.
Ah.
But Tremont's got a.
You know.
That was a Simpsons reference. You wouldn't get it.
Oh God.
Oh, that was his Corino.
I didn't make that one. I'll tell you that one.
Oh God.
This just hurts to watch. I mean, either way, both of their hands are feeling the impact. And now Colby's head is feeling it. Oh.
Double chair shot sends both men down.
See what I mean? Endless possibilities.
That steel chair doesn't get the credit it deserves as a dangerous weapon.
Yeah, try landing on the back of one. 0 out of 10. Would not recommend. Colby, maybe you should try doing that to him. That'll incapacitate him.
It
And
seems
he
to
just
work
might,
well.
because he's grabbing another one. So let's see.
See what Corino's strategy is here.
He got up his no sleeves there.
Look at me, man.
Do you have a strategy going into this match? Or is it just inflicting the most pain?
I would have
Yes,
no
really
idea.
possible.
But
I mean, I'm standing here wondering what I would do, and I got nothing.
survive is the strategy, I think.
That's a solid plan.
And Matt
Right
Tremont's
now, both-
surviving right now.
So is Colby. Okay. He might even be thriving.
Well, drop toe
Hi,
hold on the
guys.
chair.
Head.
Bent that chair down. Oh, Lion Salt.
Beautiful.
He only gets 2 though.
A for effort.
Corino now back on the outside of the ring has something else in mind. Oh, he's got a big old ladder.
Big old son.
And
I don't think he's finished.
he's back under the ring. Oh, he's got a barbed wire board.
You can see the wheels turning.
The danger of this match just keeps continuing, just keeps escalating.
Not only is it dangerous, but it's also creative.
Absolutely, one of the most creative deathmatch types you can have. Seen it right
Remember,
here at
folks,
SHP.
Deathmatch is art.
Absolutely.
These men here, they're willing to put everything on the line for their art.
And to prove that they are the best, this is what Colby wanted. He wanted to wrestle his American dream. He wanted to wrestle the deathmatch Dusty Rhodes.
Stop fiddling around. You don't want me to get up and put a fucking...
Oh, and the running knee sends Tremont back down.
So you can't help but respect him.
Die, Tremont, die. That's what you want.
Oh, God.
Case in point.
Ramming that chair right into him.
Can't help but respect it.
And now, Colby Corino's got that barbed wire board set up across 2 chairs.
These chairs here are really earning their feet.
Oh, look at Tremont.
Oh.
Get him up. Oh, God.
Oh, God, he wasn't. Oh.
Death Valley driver onto the side of the cage.
No, he really wasn't kidding. He said you don't want him to get up.
And that could be the turning point here in this matchup. Colby Corino was in control for several minutes and maybe took too much time setting up his weapon of choice. Tremont able to send him into the cage.
Do you think Matt would be smart enough to use Colby's own creation against him?
That could be a possibility,
That would
but
just be adding insult to injury.
absolutely. See, this is a little strange. I wasn't
Disrespect.
expecting Matt Tremont to try to be setting up a ladder here.
Who knows what goes on in that head of his?
He's got the 20-foot ladder set up.
Oh,
But
those here are legal, one would assume.
all of it is the crutch to the back.
Oh, that's not what those are for. Actually,
You might need one after
fact,
this.
I broke my nose with a crutch once, so those things, I can assure you, are dangerous. Those hurt. Don't
No.
ask how I broke my nose.
I already know. But Colby Corino climbing up the other side of the ladder. He's got that bat that I believe has thumbtacks taped to it. And Tremont is chasing him on the other side.
Oh my God, we're not going to mess around with.
Yeah, this is...
You said you wanted me to be Colby Corino, right? Well, that's all I fucking asked.
Oh, God. Thumbtacks to the head.
Oh,
Tremont on wobbly legs. Through the barbed wire.
I don't think Cole was.
Oh,
I don't
no.
think he's finished.
Oh, my God. This
What?
is... There's so much barbed wire hanging from the ceiling in this matchup. What the?
I can't even predict what could happen next in this type of finish.
Colby Corino's tying the barbed wire around his arm.
Sacrificing his own body.
Elbow drop from the heavens. That's gotta be it. And Colby Corino is victorious.
Win!
You got a big smile on your face after that
I
one,
mean,
Kennedy.
I knew it. I believed in him.
Colby Corino doing a little dirty work for yourself, for Ross and Bradley,
I
for
swear
Austin,
I'm not
Luke, and
paying.
Mouse.
No, he did it for himself, okay?
That's fair. This is what
He did
Colby
it to-
Corino wanted.
Yeah, he did it to make a name for himself.
He tangled with the deathmatch Dusty Rhodes not once but twice.
All you wanted me to be was Colby Corino. And that's who just fucking beat you tonight.
This is what Matt wanted. I hope he's happy.
What a
And
matchup.
I do hope Colby is happy with himself, and I mean that with all sincerity.
Matt Tremont struggling to get out from this barbed wire carnage.
See, the tacks are still on his head there. See the light shining on them.
It's an early show. It's Memorial Day weekend.
What?
We hope you're having a good time. What a way to kick it off. Clockwork Orange House of Fun. Colby Corino victorious over Matt Tremont. Use that hashtag SAP. Love is rage. That's LUV. Probably a reference to something I don't get.
Sean likes to make those obscure references.
But the Bulldozer gets to his feet. He's still caught in barbed wire. And you said it best, Kennedy. You can't help but respect it.
That's all I've got to say about that.
I just wanted Colby to be
I'm demonstrating self-restraint.
I am shocked, to say the least.
Now, this isn't about me.
No, this is about
Love
SHP
is rage.
and Love is Rage. What a way to kick things off here. He's still got the barbed wire just wrapped around him.
That's too rage into him. That is the damage that Colby inflicted upon him. I think he got his point across. I don't know about you.
Oh,
but...
absolutely.
And then some.
He is Colby Corino. He's not the son of Steve Corino. He is